You're gonna be flying this plane. You're on Airbus A320 to Southampton. Am I right?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. Here's your passport back. Enjoy your flight. Hello, sir. Take
I'm
this. Okay. Let me put this in the computer. Okay. So you're a pilot, right? Okay. So you're also flying from here to Southampton. Okay. You're good to go.
Yeah.
Enjoy. Have a safe flight. Yeah. Now squash. Ticket, please.
Here we go.
And you're a passenger on the flight. Okay. Enjoy your flight. Have a safe trip.
Alright, thanks.
Your ticket. Thank you. And you are a passenger on Az0nny Airlines to Southampton. Correct. Alright, you're good to go. Have a safe flight.
Oh.
Right. My man needs.
Hey, welcome aboard Az0nny Airlines. Find a seat and sit down. That also works. Welcome aboard Az0nny Airlines flight 3490 to Southampton Airport. So our flight time will be 1 hour and 30 minutes about. And make sure your seatbelts are fastened. And I hope you enjoy this flight. Thank you for choosing Az0nny Airlines.
Alpha Zulu Echo 0001, requesting start, push back, tail to the right.
Alpha Zulu Echo, push and start approved, tail to the right.
Alpha Zulu Echo 0001, requesting taxi to runway 11 using Alpha 1.
Runway, what is a runway 11? Hold short 25 at Alpha 1 via Alpha Zulu Echo.
Alpha Zulu Echo, requesting takeoff at runway 25.
Alpha Zulu Echo, clear for takeoff 25, winds are calm, maintain runway heading.
Clear for takeoff runway 25.
Yeah, I know.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we've reached our cruising altitude. You may unbuckle your seatbelt, take your belongings out of the overhead bins, go to the washroom, and pretty much do whatever you want. There'll be an in-flight service guy coming around you.
Alright, so begin.
Hello, sir. What would you like to eat or drink? Okay, hello, sir. What can I get for you to eat and or drink?
I want Glühmost.
Alter, wir sind doch nicht in Österreich. Du kriegst kein Glühwein.
Then I want vodka. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Kind of getting foggy and really cold. Feel that?
Yeah. But where do we land?
Well, I don't know if we should make an emergency landing or just have to switch because of the coldness. Oh,
You
my
know what?
controls aren't working.
Or like
Controls aren't working. Yeah, mayday. Alpha Zulu Echo 0001. We need to make an emergency landing at the nearest airport. It looks like Southampton. I don't know if we can make it.
Az0nny 0001, you have 26 and 08 available to you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have found ourselves dealing with an issue on board this aircraft. We have an engine failure on our left engine. We will have to reroute our flight to land in the water due to an issue. When I tell you to brace, get into your brace positions. As said from the flight crew, if you forgot your brace position, please ask one of our flight crew on board today to assist you. Scream.
Okay,
Scream.
passengers, everybody stay calm. We're going to, everybody,
Brace!
everybody brace. Everybody scream and brace.
Brace!
100.
Brace!
We're gonna crash.
Water.
Oh.
Sir, get up!
Let me see.
Oh god.
Okay.
That's all.
I got some chocolate milk in my Alright, I'm gonna
Will you come
He's coming.
While.
I see him.
Does anybody want some saltwater wine? Oh my god.
I can hear the hell.
Everybody wave! Don't
Maybe
shoot the
don't try to
helicopter.
hit the helicopter.
How do
There's
I
another helicopter.
take me away?
I'm
Stop
gonna go to
shooting the
Southampton
helicopter.
then.
Beware that. Try not to have the guns.
Go.
Why are we so close to the water? What
Yes,
the
it's-
hell?
Oh no.
Oh, my God.
dear.
What's wrong? No! No! No!
We're gliding.
No! Ah!
Rest in peace, my friend.
Yeah, I should be. I'm ground crew.
Yo!
I can, okay. Butter. That worked. Yeah.
Steve. I am Steve.
The co-pilot's alive?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bro returned. Bro. A house.
Yeah.
They're gonna catch her. I'm kidding. No, I'll stay.
That's my house.
Welcome to my house.
Welcome to Jimmy. So.